So right now, hello guys. So right now I'm going to show you one of our very interesting features, which is called bulk texting from a report. So when you're on your home screen, you can just go over here and type reports and it should pop out. So yeah, here you have texting from reports. Now, so let's say you have created your report already. You can just pull out your report. I've created this one. So here we analyze the report first, then we choose contacts because this is the one that we want to send message to. And here we have the option to schedule this dynamically. Now, what this means is that we can play with the frequency, we can select our start date, time of delivery. But the first thing you have to do is you have to select your from address. So here, this will be the phone number from which you're going to be sending the message. Next is the phone field, like business phone, mobile, so on and so forth. We normally stay with the business phone. Then here you have a template option. So here you have a couple of bots that you can send to multiple people. You have some templates as well. You just select any of them. Then here you can change the frequency. So you can have it only once. So just what it means, you send it once, that's it. Next thing is you can have it every day. So every day it will execute a specific message. This is good for reminders, for updates. Then the next thing is every week. So let's say every week on Monday, you want to send a message to your customers, you can select Monday. And then let's say you want to send the same message on Thursday. Have in mind that when you have templates, they're dynamic, which means that we can use merge fields to pull information out from a specific fields. This means is you select one template, but the information will be different because the fields will be changed. The information in the fields will be changed, meaning that to pull different information on Monday and on Thursday. Next thing we can do is we can have it every month. So let's say the first day of the month, you just want to remind, for example, for a payment, you can select the date or just any other date, depending on your use case, you can select the date. Also, we have every year. Every year, 1st of January, it will send a message. You can just set this up, for example, to wish Happy New Year to your customers. So here, when we play with the frequency, we have start date, time of delivery, and receiver time zone. Start date, of course, means when it starts to execute the message. Since this date till your end date, which you can select over here, it will just keep sending messages. Time of delivery, of course, just have in mind that some people don't want to be emailed out of their working hours. It's not really professional. So just select your time zone, select the time. Normally, most people tend to respond around 2 p.m. Sorry. So normally I select 2 p.m. from here and send my messages then. The end date, you can literally set it at 2015. This is because it will extract the fresh data from the report, which is available at the time of scheduling run. So if there are any changes in the field, it will automatically extract the fresh data every single time. So you don't have to worry about coming here and updating your dynamic scheduling because it will extract the fresh data automatically. Here we have file ID. So you go on, select your, just go to your files. If you want to send the file, look up your file ID, copy paste it here, and then you can send file as well. So here we have select channel. We can select our channel to be WhatsApp, SMS. So we can send on the preferred channel. And here we have some global labels. Like let's say you have labeled, you have like people, new leads, you have a label new lead into your report. Everyone that you've labeled new lead, the system will send a message to them. Then you click confirm schedule and a couple more steps to execute this message. This is pretty much about dynamic scheduling. If you have any questions, don't hesitate to let us know. Just send us an email or reach out to our support team on our website. Thank you, guys.